Every organization grows piece by piece: people, processes, tools. Without a shared plan, changes clash and money is wasted. TOGAF is a trusted recipe for one clear plan. Picture a family bakery wanting online orders. Before moving on, please like, follow, and share to help the channel and other people grow. Enterprise architecture is the master blueprint of an organization. Every team, step, piece of information, and tool, and how they all fit together. TOGAF, the Open Group Architecture Framework, is a proven recipe book for drawing it. TOGAF has two main parts. First, the ADM, the Architecture Development Method, which is a repeating, step-by-step cycle you work through again and again, the how. Second, the four domains, the layers that every architecture blueprint covers: business, data, application, and technology. Building blocks are reusable parts you assemble from, like Lego bricks, maybe a payment or login piece. The repository is a shared shelf storing those finished blocks, and the enterprise continuum arranges them from generic to specific, so nothing gets drawn twice. TOGAF gives you the ADM, the method that produces your enterprise architecture blueprint. That blueprint is organized into four domains, each built from smaller building blocks stored in the repository. And governance acts as the referee, checking that what's actually built matches the agreed plan. The ADM is the engine at the heart of TOGAF. Phases A through H form a ring. Preliminary feeds phase A, then H loops back, closing the cycle. You walk it each time the organization changes. At the center, requirements management tracks every need, checked at every step. Picture a family bakery. The vision: order cakes by phone, collect tomorrow. Baseline is today's paper orders at the counter. Target is an online form to the kitchen. The gap needs a website and delivery. Payment and tracking blocks come off the repository shelf. TOGAF is a trusted recipe for one blueprint of your whole organization. The ADM cycle builds it, building blocks are the parts, the repository stores them, and governance keeps everyone on plan. Still unclear about anything? Drop a question or comment below. Thanks.